Today we have a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is "Woman Meets Karma After Calling Police for Help."
I'm kind of like somebody to the internet, and you know when people go to jail or take mugshots, it's get on Facebook.
We don't release them.
Store employees stopped a woman for shoplifting and recovered unpaid merchandise. She then called the police, claiming she was assaulted.
What's up? Now you can turn it on.
Yes. I mean, we have video footage, but...
Did she steal?
Yeah, she did. But she gave it back to me in the exit.
Okay.
Well, she threw it on the floor. But she comes in here all the time and she does this. But we've never gotten to apprehend her. So when I approached her, she got mad. She's like, "Oh, you're going to stop me over $12. And I was like, "Yeah, we're going to stop you." I was like, "You can come to the office and we can talk about it." And she's like, "I'm not coming back with you. I'm not going to no office." And she tried to leave. And I was like, "If you leave with it, then you're going to have to call the cops and get them involved."
She's the one who called us.
Yeah, she called you guys.
So you're grabbing on her.
Jason.
What the hell's the matter with you?
Yeah, no, I didn't touch her at all.
Do you want just the...
And you loading up stolen grills. I already know it.
Man.
This girl in all gray.
Yeah, that's her.
What did she steal?
It was EO's body oil, 2 bottles.
Do you want to do anything about it?
I do, just because she's done this several times she's been here, and she's given us a problem.
Why is she following back in?
Because she said she was going to beat my ass.
Where did she conceal it at?
She concealed it in the main aisle.
Oh, like on her person or in that bag?
Yeah, in the bag. She bought a pair of AirPods back in tech.
Okay.
Then while she was walking up to the front, she put them in the bag.
Okay. Do you know what vehicle she got in?
Yes, it's this one.
Here you go.
So it's kind of blurry, but that's the best shot we could get of the plate.
TR 47960?
Yeah.
Range Rover.
It's the same one she's been here before in.
She's driving a Range Rover?
I thought that was the girl one because I was just
and stealing?
Everyone's driving the Range
the
Rover.
Blackstone, yeah.
Yeah.
She gotta pay the car note. Stop that.
All right.
She's driving a Range Rover and stealing. She just brought iPads, or I mean not iPads, AirPods. But she's stealing $12 soap? What type of sense does this make? From Target? Boy, Target, you know Target is camered up.
Let me go run to the...
It's always these three: Walmart, Target, Best Buy. Always.
Real fast and see if you could work on just gathering the video together, and I'll send a link. I'll come back in.
Thank you.
That's gonna be her. We arrested her before. Comes back to Shatara Connor, who the vehicle comes back to Shatara Connor. All right, so that's our suspect. I'll call her to try and get her to turn stuff in before I gotta make a photo lineup. But let's go in and get all the details from there so we can start the report. So who's gonna be the complainant on this? You or him?
Me.
How long are you still here? I thought you were...
I have like 3 months, they said.
Okay.
Yeah, up to 3 months.
I'm probably gonna... I don't think I do. I think it's her. Based on what I can see of her, the plate comes back to her. The phone number she called us with comes back to her. Can I see like her exit picture coming out of there? How much is the value for today?
Today is $25.98.
But she's got a...
She has prior, yeah. Her total proven is $450 here.
Do you have open cases on those?
No, because they were lower dollar. And this one we recovered. So the rest of them we don't have open cases on.
Okay. Do you want to do anything with her saying she's going to beat your ass, or no? Just the retail?
Just the retail.
Okay.
What's he called? Because I wasn't going to call for that.
Got herself in trouble.
I know, what the heck?
Hi.
What's your first name again?
Shatara.
Shatara. Okay, can you stand up for me? All right, he's just going to place you in handcuffs, okay? But you want to take that off? You're going to be out really quickly.
Okay, because he says it's going to be cold back there.
It'll be a little cold, but she's not going to be back there that long.
15 minutes.
No more than 30 minutes, I would say.
So don't.
Leave everything you can here with him. That way it's not going in our lockup.
Thank you. I just got it in the hands up to the front. To the front, she ain't going up. She just big.
Boy,
So
they got to do their job.
Yeah, who the heck is this guy? To the front, she a lady. What the? Shut your soft ass. Man, get out of here, man. She a lady, man. Well, she shouldn't be stealing from Target. What the heck are you talking about, man? And why'd you bring your kid down here to watch you get locked up? Like, go take the kid for some ice cream or something, man. Y'all really gotta be watching. This is what I don't understand. I'm not even gonna get into it. Just play the video.
No more than 30 minutes, I would say.
So don't.
Yeah, leave everything you can here with him. That way it's not going in our lockup.
Thank you. I just got it in the hands up to the car, man. To the front, she ain't going up. She just big.
Boy,
That's
they gotta do their job. He's so.
Just let me know.
He's slow.
She's taking a video of you? Huh?
It's not tight though. At all.
He's just double locking them so they
Okay.
don't get tighter on you. Thank you. 95. And then when you're coming up to like the doorways, not talking about
I'm
sorry.
like, yeah.
You'll just say 95.
95.
There you go.
So don't try to get him to train.
He's new. I gotta train him.
No, I'm not the dummy to test.
No.
Yeah, you
This
is.
first like person he's detained like this, so
Oh, well, this is perfect then. So you know,
easy one. We got a real criminal on our hands.
well, actually, I'm already been shit on myself.
Say it. 95.
95.
Left. Mr. Tar, can you put your left shoulder against this wall right here for me, please? Go ahead and put your gun up. Then right this way here.
I knew she said he was gonna ask for that.
They're not hard to find anyway.
I know, right?
They're not that gets scary how easy.
Shit is crazy. Just like right now, I was telling her I was scared because, like, I'm kind of like somebody to the internet, and you know when people go to jail or take mugshots, it's get on.
We
Facebook.
don't release them unless you're a serious offender. So you're okay.
So
We'll release yours.
Facebook not gonna happen.
You can turn your camera. No, we're gonna release yours. Sorry. You can have a seat over here.
The store didn't call for help, she did. And that decision sealed the outcome.
Yeah, like, come on, man. Who is this? They even got her in the description? Who the heck is this? Oh, they ain't got her in the description. I'm trying to figure out who. She's somebody to the internet. I ain't never heard of her. When what, she be on TikTok or something? I'm trying to figure out. Maybe they said it in the comments or something. Imagine arriving the store in Mercedes, buying AirPods and going to jail for $25. Yo, these comments is funny. Nobody ain't say her name. Yeah, so is she somebody to anybody here? No. I don't know who this chick is. Maybe y'all know. Reality TV star. What show is she on? Basketball side joints. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo, somebody said reality TV star. What show is she on? Basketball side joints. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Who is she? She's on reality TV show. She hustled Chicago. Yeah, I don't know who. Shikari. Oh, these comments are hilarious, man. Anyway, man, I don't I don't know who she is, but yeah, this could have been handled a lot better. I mean, why would you bring your kid inside so your kid could watch you go to jail? Like, you couldn't, drive her down. If I was the boyfriend or the father or whatever, I mean, and she had to go, I mean, like, okay, she has to go turn herself in, but you bring them down, hey, we gotta drop mommy off, she's doing something real quick or whatever, and then she'll be there for a half hour or whatever. Tell her, yo, call me when you're ready or whatever, and go take the kid to go get some ice cream or something. You actually sitting in there, the kid, come on, man. Come on, like, this is crazy. I wouldn't be, nah, man, that's not right. Anyways, I think the officers did a great job. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member. And I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.